was it written in the stars? I don't know, but this I'm sure of. You're a tattoo on my heart. Sometimes the things we love still hurt us, and I know it feels like defying gravity, but this love still feels like flying home to me. And if we need space, then why can't I stay on your orbit? And if we're bound to break, then tell me why my heart's still holding on. 'Cause you're up in your head, and baby come down, it's obvious how my whole world revolves around you. So if we need space, then why can't I stay on your orbit?
All the things we used to do, like holding hands under the moonlight, not give up on us too soon. Good things take work, it's a universal truth. And I know my mind can't be light years away from you, but your love still brings me down to earth. It's just what you do.
And if we need space, then why can't I stay out your orbit? And if we're bound to break, then tell me why my heart's still holding on. 'Cause you're up in your head,
Up in the clouds,
baby come down, it's obvious how my whole world revolves around you. So if we need space, then why can't I stay out your orbit? And why do we keep going round and
why don't we
don't wanna come down and
down?
we keep going round and round. Wanna come down, come down. So if we need space, why can't I stay out your orbit?